Yeah, I think you keep forgetting I don't speak Russian, man. Getting limber, getting limber. This should not be happening. Get it done? Let's get to the work. Let's get it ready. Hi guys and welcome to the show. Now I know you've never heard of us, but by the end of this, you're going to know everything about us. Our plan is we're going to take you along on a journey while we trade up our cars from the mundane to the extraordinary. Now we're starting with a Focus ST, and then who knows what we'll get to. The sky is the limit. I do understand that the car behind me is not a Focus ST. This is actually a Polo GTI. It's something really special that we did over Christmas, but we'll get to that in the rest of the video. But first, let's introduce the team. Let's get to the work. Let's get it ready. So let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. Igor, resident print specialist. You need a design, decal, print, he's the man to call. Dismantle this first, sand it down, and raffle.
Neighborhood, that's me. Neighborhood, that's Nick.
Dennis, brother of Igor, son of Odin, master of all things tints.
I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young bro.
The girl behind the cameras, making us all look beautiful, is the lovely Leah. Okay. Quiet in the studio, please. Quiet in the studio. Okay. Me, myself, Charlie, jack of all trades, master of none. I'm here to get the work in and get the cars out. Together, with over 30 years of experience, we make the team Rap Brothers. So, back to the Polo GTI. Over Christmas, we decided to give our followers a chance to win a complete wrap. Now, this was the lucky guy that got it. He decided to go for a Daggy orange body with gloss black roof and gloss black mirrors. I think he made the right choice because it is an absolutely stunning car. But don't forget, this is the first of many competitions that we will be holding. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on your chance to win. How about we show you around what we did?
I don't have the time, bro, I don't wear a watch. I'ma move regardless, just like the clock. Been around here before, I've been on this block. 25 to life bit, I live on this rock. Planet Mars, dog, my planet raw. Took trips and landed far. Took hits I can't ignore. My chest got a black hole. I dealt with a black crow. White dove, a black soul. Wipe off my past clothes. I try to get away from it, not trying to let the vapors in. Time fly when you wasting it. Fast life, I was racing it, and I knew I had to pay for it. Always knew that I was made for this. My path, I paved the shit. My path, my grave in it. So past lives, they hover over like crows, just like I hover over my code. All hail, almighty freedom I chose. Tall tales, my eyes see to my road. Don't look at the clock, I don't even got time. I seen people ride, I seen people stop, I seen people let it pass by. I seen evil, maybe that's why. I see needles next to that wine. I seen demons and I seen signs. I need reason, you don't need mine. Once I took a roll of that dice, that shit took control of my life. Twice I paid the toll for that price. Nights and days, hoping I'd fight. Knives and blades, open my sight. Guide the way, over my spite. I was made as I was built. Flowers fade and flowers wilt, tilt. Past lives, they hover over like crows, just like I hover over my code. All hail, almighty freedom I chose. Tall tales, my eyes see to my road.
We've seen the Polo. The customer came and took it this morning. He's very happy. Not too bad for a £2 raffle ticket, I might say. But that has freed us up for the rest of the day so that we can show you our other project. So let's focus on the Focus. Okay, so here we have it. It's a 2.5 petrol turbo. It's pulled by 311 horses with a stage 2 remat. So it's already a very powerful car. As you can see, it is a 12-year-old car. So it has got some damage to the lacquer on the bonnet and on the roof. It's already a very lovely colour, but at the end of the day, lovely isn't what we're going for. We want amazing. So we're going to do what we do best. We're going to wrap it. Now, Eagle, tell us a little bit about your vision for this, mate.
So the plan is we're gonna start from the top down, beginning with the gloss black roof, down to gloss black mirrors, and something very special for the morning. Come look at this. This is a brand new gloss forged carbon from Teckwrap. Let's roll it out.
So, we've shown you the car, we've shown you the materials, we've told you our plan. Now,
let's get cracking!
so these are some of the problems that you're going to face when you come to wrapping these older cars. Obviously, I've shown you the lacquer damage, but let's come take a closer look at these. So, all along the front, you can never tell without looking closely, but you will always get stone chips. Whenever you wrap with a gloss material, those sort of things will always stand out like a sore thumb. So we've got to make sure that we get all those perfectly flat to get the best possible finish. So pro tip, if you ever take your car to get vinyl wrapped, make sure that you specify whether you're going to keep the vinyl on or whether you're going to be removing it after a period of time. Because the last thing that you want is for somebody to go to town sanding all the little bumps and divots and then want to take it off in 3 or 4 months. Because that's the last thing that you want. Just make sure that the company, whether you take it to us or someone else, is fully aware of your plans and what you'd like to do with it in the future. Got to think.
I am the one, the way your son don't get.
What do you have there?
I've got a little friend. Okay, so when the job's too big, sometimes you need to call in a little friend. So what we're going to do is we're going to move from the 600 to the 800, 1000 and 2000. The higher the grip, the better the finish. Oh,
A few moments later.
I didn't think it was going to take this long. What do you reckon? Really hard grit and just get all of it off?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe we just scrape it all off and then, because it's easier to scrape them.
Might be worth a go. So, here's the problem that we've run into. This car's definitely been resprayed. This could not be a factory lacquer whatsoever. So as you can see, this should not be happening. So how we're going to overcome this is we're going to strip it right back to the undercoat, and hopefully we can get it nice and flat so that we can get the best finish possible. It's been a bit of a hard slog, but we've finally got the roof and the bonnet ready. So we're going to do the last little bits of cleaning, get it all masked up, make sure it's spotless, and we'll get to laying. You got yours? Prepared.
Prepared.
Pro tip, whenever you're doing any roof wraps, always work from the middle. Otherwise you'll end up with kinks coming towards and you'll never get them out. Okay, so this is where you see that the prep work. Okay, so this is where you see that the prep work really is everything. Now you saw the state of this roof before we've wrapped it, and now look at it. Perfectly smooth, perfectly flat, not a speck in sight. Perfect. So we're all finished with the roof now. It looks absolutely fantastic. The next step is to get some of this lovely forged carbon onto the bonnet. Cue the montage.
So, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost a stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real nigga.
So that's it from us here today. I hope you've enjoyed yourself as much as we have. So what I'd like you to do is leave some comments. Okay.
What you gonna do?
Leave some comments. Okay, so come on, is hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom. Okay, so that's it from us. Am I rapping? Okay, so that's it from us here today. I hope you've enjoyed yourself as much as we have. Please leave some comments below. So you know, best comments will receive a free gift. But I'm not going to tell you what that is, that'll be a surprise. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of our new content, and we will see you on the next one.
Over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost a stepping.